3 girls downloaded a total of 36 songs onto their iPods. Jane downloaded twice as many as Inez. And since Tracy had to have the most, or I'm sorry, it doesn't say that. She wanted to have the most. She downloaded one more than Jane did. How many songs did each girl download? Now, for me, there's a lot of important information in here, but there is one key piece of information that makes the whole problem relevant in actually solving this problem. Does anybody have an idea of what that might be? Jaime? Yes. Because we are comparing everybody's downloads to did you say Inez? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
No.
What did you say?
Inez.
Oh, Inez. Okay, maybe it's Inez. Inez? Okay. So, how many songs did Inez download? She is not here. Okay. How many downloads did Inez have then? Huh? No, we don't know that though.
You want the answer?
No, I don't want the answer. If she is relevant to all of the others, how would I represent the number of downloads she has? A variable, right?
You said in. Like in, like as in a variable.
Yeah.
What did I think you said?
No.
Wow, maybe I need more sleep. I don't know. N, yes, a variable N. We'll use N. You could use I, you could use J, whatever. Okay, so we got Inez, and then we got Jane. How many downloads does Jane have? Twice as many as Inez. So we're relating everything to Inez. So if Inez has N, Emmanuel, how many downloads will Jane have?
At least twice.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, are you with me? So if Jane has twice as many and Inez has N, how many would that be? Twice as many.
N squared.
Not N squared.
2N.
2N. Yes. 2N. Twice as many. Okay. And then finally, we have Tracy, who's over the top. She has to have the most. She downloads one more than Jane did. And so that would be, okay, 2N plus 1. All right, so now we have all these amounts. I'm looking for an equation. And some of you are like, I'm way ahead of you. What else is relevant in this problem? So I think the fact that Inez, everything is centered around her, is very important. You only have and need one variable here. But what else is important? Total. And total means we are adding. Adding and also to 36. So who wants to give me an equation? Who haven't I talked to recently? Don't look at her. Don't look down. Aaron's looking right at me. Aaron, you want to give it to me?
N plus 2N plus 2N plus 1 equal 36.
Okay. I was gonna say, that is not an equation, but yes, he saved himself. Equals 36. Where and how do we get these numbers? Right here. N, that's Inez. 2N, that's Jane's. 2N plus 1, that's Tracy's. Add them all together, and what do we get? What is the coefficient in front of N? 1. It's 1 understood. So 1N plus 2N plus 2N is going to be, is it 5N to the third? No, you just add the coefficients. Okay? Just the coefficients. Call it a name. What's an animal that starts with N? A what? I can't think of an animal that starts with N. A newt starts with a G-N-U.
I didn't say that.
Newt. Did you say newt? Newt. Think of newts. We got 1 newt plus 2 newts plus 2 newts is 5 newts. You don't multiply the newts. You just add them.
What's a new?
What's a newt? Kind of like a little lizard thing. 5n plus 1 equals 36. I am solving for n. What would I do here? Subtract 1, subtract 1. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do to the other. You get 5n is equal to 35. Divide by 5, divide by 5. N is equal to 7. Hey, I got an answer. I'm done, right? You've got to read and look at the question. So how many songs did each girl download? How about Inez? 7 downloads. How about Jane?
I mean, Tracy downloaded 50.
Are you sure? Yes, because she did 1 more. So you don't even have to do math. You just add 1 to 14. Well, I guess that's still math, but. All right, and these are downloads. How could I check this? Add them all up. Is 7 plus 14 plus 15 give me that 36? Yes. Very good. Any questions about that problem? We got 1 more on the docket. Let's go to problem number 3 on that page. Very similar to the problem we just did. Peyton is 3 years younger than Justin. Matt is 4 times as old as Peyton. If you add together the ages of Justin, Peyton, and Matt, the total comes to 39 years. How old are Justin, Peyton, and Matt? So again, I'll give you about 4-ish minutes. To those of you that are like, this is too easy, I'm glad for you. For those that are not, keep working at it. Okay, the light bulb will come. Bonnie, you okay? Not feeling well? No? You need to see a nurse or just need to have some time? Okay. Just let me know next time, okay? Yeah, if you guys have something going on, if you're not feeling well, just let me know. Heaven knows I tell you when I'm not feeling well, right? Again, be careful when you are reading these problems. Daniel, where's your book? Wow.
I was just doing it earlier.
Miss Didi.
I know it though. Is this right?
Well, if you know it, why would you have to ask?
I'm not sure if I
You
think
should do it yourself.
I did. I did that.
So you're writing all this on her?
What we're talking about.
Oh, okay. I don't know if the answer's right. It probably is. But my concern, I don't know, I guess it's in there. Just a minute. So you've got, who is this right here? And this is Justin? It says Peyton is 3 years younger than Justin. So maybe you just write a little bit more. Now we want to make sure she does it. So you get your own out. Okay? And I appreciate you helping her, but if you're doing it, I'm not sure she's always getting it. You know what I'm saying?
I absolutely agree.
Okay. Yeah.
I did it come up the.
Okay.